Hello students, in the last video of manufacturing process we discussed about the casting, and today our topic of discussion is electrochemical machining ECM, that is non-traditional machining process. So first we discuss about the traditional machining. What are the limitations of traditional machining? In the traditional machining there is a physical contact between the tool and workpiece for the machining purpose, and the tool must be stronger than the workpiece, and if the workpiece is very soft, so there may be a clogging problem. And if we want to produce holes, means want to perform drilling in a glass sheet, so by the traditional process we can't produce any hole in the glass sheet, so we go for the non-traditional machining like laser beam machining, electron beam machining. That are many other non-traditional process. One of that process is ECM, electrochemical machining. The metal removal rate is in the ECM process is very high. ECM process is only performed on the conducting materials. So, and the metal removal mechanism is by the ionic dissolution mechanism, by which metal removal takes place is ionic dissolution. And it follows the law of electrolysis. It follows law of electrolysis, that is Faraday's law. That is Faraday's law. And it is also at high current and low voltage process. What the Faraday's law says? According to Faraday's, the amount of material removal is directly proportional to the charge flow, amount of charge flow. So M is directly proportional to the Q. We can write Q IT. So remove the proportionality. M equal to Z I T. I is current, T is time, and Z is electrochemical equivalent constant. Z is electrochemical equivalent constant. To find out the Z is E upon F. F is Faraday's constant. The value of Faraday's constant is 96500, and E is gram equivalent. To find out the gram equivalent, E equal to atomic weight upon valence. So we can easily find out E, and we know that F is 96500. So we can find out Z. Then if we have the value of current and time, then we can find out the material removal, amount of material removal. So next we have to find out the material removal rate. Material removal rate is M upon T. So that is ZI. Z is E upon F. So this will become EI upon F. Material removal rate in gram per second. If we have to find out the volumetric material removal rate, then we can write M equal to rho V in terms of density. V is volume. Then MRR equal to rho V upon T equal to EI upon F, and MRR volumetric is equal to V upon T equal to EI upon F, rho F. So it will become MRR volumetric metal removal rate is EI upon rho F. So next time we have to find out the specific metal removal rate. So specific, to find out the specific material removal rate, specific material removal rate is MRR volumetric upon I. So it is denoted by the small s. The value of volumetric material removal rate is EI upon rho F. EI upon rho F into I. I से I cancel. So S equal to E upon rho F. And the next step we have to find out the current density. Current density, that is denoted by J. J equal to I upon A. And we know that resistance is equal to rho S L upon A. Rho S is resistivity, L is length, and A is area. And we can write R equal to V equal to IR. So R equal to V upon I. So V upon I equal to rho S L upon A, and I upon A equal to V upon rho S L. Here V is voltage and we use here V, so take it small v. This is voltage, and this is volume. So J equal to I upon A, or we can write it V upon rho S L. The next time we have to find out the electrode feed rate. So to find out the electrode feed rate equal to electrode feed rate is S into J. S is specific metal removal rate and J is current density. By the putting the value of S and J, we can find out the electrode feed rate, or in terms of that is MRR volumetric upon I and into I upon A. So it can be find out by the metal removal rate volumetric upon area also. So आज के लेक्चर में इतना ही. आगे हम इसको आज का लेक्चर कंक्लूड करते हैं. क्या क्या हमने आज पढ़ा है. Electrochemical machining is used for only conducting materials. Okay, it can be machined only conducting material. Insulators cannot be machined. So to find out, it works on the Faraday's law, and we can find out metal removal rate is equal to EI upon F in gram per second, and volumetric metal removal rate is EI upon rho F. This will become in millimeter cube per second or centimeter cube per second. Next is specific metal removal rate. Specific metal removal rate volumetric is equal to MRRV upon I equal to E upon rho F, and current density J equal to I upon A equal to V upon rho S L, and E, and here the term in the starting we use Z, electrochemical machining constant. So that is E upon F. E is gram equivalent and F is Faraday's constant. To find out E, we use atomic weight upon valency. So thank you, and if you have any query, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.